See what everybody's doing. I got some the rest of the lettuce that I bought for them. And the babies and Papa are all getting some lettuce out of the container. And of course, one baby has got to eat Papa. Alright, it's alright, go back. I don't know if they'll go back now. Come on, yeah. We're all silently looking at each other. Oh. That's it, you can sing. Go back to the lettuce. It's clicked, yeah, go back to it. Oh, there ain't no traditional food now, so nope, we don't trust you. We don't trust you. Hey, Mama. Oh, Mama's out now. Mama's out and yelling at everybody. So, other baby bird. I have no on my chest, so this might be tricky. This little baby bird keeps jumping out of the nest or falling. That is our new bird. And it's focusing on my thumb instead of the bird. But anyway, and now it's biting me. So yeah, well, now no one. But there's the rest of the family. Yes, there's everybody.